Alright, I don't even know what day we're working on today, but we got goodies in the mail. Jeep power down tubes for the exhaust. Time to get those put in and hopefully today get the engine sitting in the Jeep. That's the plan. Oh, those are pretty. Ha ha ha. Nice. That looks good. Woohoo! Okay, those two bottom ones sucked taking out of the Jeep. When it was in the Jeep, that would have been brutal putting in with the engine in the Jeep. So if you're doing these exhausts, somebody else on YouTube said you have three choices. 1, take the engine out. 2, take the fender off. 3, take it to somebody else and have them fight with it, because it sucks. And yeah, that would suck. But that torque tube fits real nice in there. So, time to torque it up. Well, crud. It took longer than a day to do that, and I forgot to order a part, darn it. Alright, hopefully we're getting an engine put in today. Problem we ran into was this little guy. That is a clutch pilot bearing. I didn't think I totally spaced off needing one. I just assumed it would already be in the engine. It wasn't. Then it was a 2-day order to get it. So yeah, this little $7 part was what I was missing. And then of course I went to pick it up this morning and ordered the wrong part. So O'Reilly's came to the rescue, happened to have one. So we're gonna get that installed, and then just to add insult to injury, the old shop truck, brakes started grinding this morning, so I gotta do a brake job too. Woohoo! So let's get this going. Alright, I've already put the motor mounts on the motor, but I think I'm taking those back off to give me a little bit more room getting this maneuvered in. All right, where I'm at, all the bolts are lined up. The engine's about 1/4 to 1/2 inch away from the transmission. So I'm hoping it's just getting that clutch aligned in there, getting the shafts aligned, and getting her shoved in. Well, the engine's in. I gotta tighten the motor to the transmission. A couple more bolts need to go there. Tighten up the motor mounts, and then it's all accessories. I did, in my infamous wisdom, lose one of the bolts to the motor mount, so I gotta look for that. So that's where we're gonna leave this. If you wanna see more of me dinking around in the garage, going on trips, wheeling this Jeep, working on other projects, like, subscribe, and follow. Have a blessed day.